good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1039th edition, and that's a lot of editions, of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, good evening. This video is being filmed on Thursday night for trading, Friday, June 28, 2013. Traders, as we know, futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts, and always know that a stop can be your best friend in this business. All right, so what's on the board? Right off the bat, a green omni, and we love to clap for green omnis, man. Yes, 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 a green omni for U.S. indices. Traders, all week long and last week, I have been telling you what the technique of flavor has been this week, and last week as well. The OTAPMA magnet has been ruling these markets. Incredible. I'll show it to you on charts. Next, indices are back in the buy camp, and I love clapping for that stuff. Yeah, indices, rock and roll, back in the buy camp. Gold is approaching its omni short-term target of 1170 to 1150. That's right, traders, 1170 to 1150. When we called the official top, it was 1680. Omni is looking for 1170 to 1150. We are almost there now. We're in the 12s. We're on our way. A round of applause for analysis and the Omni there. I mean, are you kidding me with this gold call? Wonderful. So, traders, I'm going to get right into the chart segment. I want you to come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come join me in my free trading rooms where I can teach you to be a technical analyst and read these charts without your emotions, without your thoughts. Read them pure and simple for what they are. Again, that is at livewithoscar.com. And with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the OTAPMA magnet. If you recall, I called for downside on this day, and I said we were going to go right to the OTAPMA magnet. And once we got to it and we got to this day, I said now we start to head back up. 2 days ago, I put out a video and I said now we head back up. Day one, day two. Are you kidding me with these calls? Traders, you can't do much better than this. But let's keep looking. Once again in the Russell, I professed when we were here that we would turn around and have a blast off, and here we are. And I tell you that we are going higher on Friday. In fact, probably next week, by the time we get back from the 4th of July holiday, all these highs will have been taken out. Well, we'll talk about that next week. Let's keep moving for Friday tomorrow. Traders, for trading on Friday, that is Friday the 28th of June, look at the NASDAQ. Came right down to OTAPMA, like everything else, held and has exploded. It is up here right now as I speak. We expect the NASDAQ to be much, much higher tonight and tomorrow. Then, traders, we have the emini S&P. Remember this chart? We were here on this day. I gave you a target. I gave you the target of down here, OTAPMA. We came down, we hit the target and rallied. Here's our new target. What's expected to be seen on Friday tomorrow is right up here. You want that exact level? Come on down to livewithoscar.com and I'll tell you exactly what that projection is for trading on Friday. Then we have the DAX. Traders, I showed you this chart like every other one in my last video, and I said the DAX is going to gain legs right here. It looks like it is gaining legs, and look what happened on the weekly chart so far. This is every day this week combined into one bar. Look at the DAX. Look at that hold. Let's go. Analysis. Rock and roll. Traders, don't forget all of this move all week long. It's all been wrapped around a couple of markets. You've got gold going crazy. You've got bonds going crazy. Here is the very same gold chart I've been showing you for weeks on end. This is a weekly bar. Traders, since we called top and we made the official call for top up here, since then, look at this market. It's all the way down here. We have traded to 12 already. Oh my goodness. What an enormous, amazing drop. And another great piece of technical analysis. And I kid you not, you've got 1170 to 1150 coming, and likely you will see that on Friday tomorrow. The next chart I wanted to remind you about, do not lose focus, traders. We have been in focus for weeks on end. We have been giving you really, really good trades. Stay focused on this right here. We are back in the buy camp in your Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is the stock market, and we expect higher on Friday. Traders, so you've seen the charts. There's my technical argument for that green omni, and I'm clapping again. It's got to be the fourth or fifth time, baby. This is a clapping video. I love the upside, and I love to clap for these green omnis. Now, don't forget, traders, for trading on Friday, indices are back in the buy camp. The OTAPMA magnet has worked very, very well, and gold is approaching its short-term target Omni gave us of 1170 to 1150. Watch the downside in gold. Traders, I will see you at livewithoscar.com. Always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. And a special thanks to my editor, Vince. Vince, thank you so much for showing up tonight. You're working really hard, and it does not go unappreciated. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.